Challenges in manufacturing of globalization. 1. Global competition puts pressure on manufacturers to constantly improve efficiency and reduce costs to stay competitive. 2. Rapidly changing consumer demands and preferences require manufacturers to be agile and adaptable to keep up with market trends. 3. Managing complex global supply chains introduces challenges in coordinating and optimizing production processes across multiple locations. 4. Technology advancements, such as automation and robotics, bring opportunities for increased productivity but also require significant investments and workforce upskilling. 5. Intellectual property protection becomes crucial as manufacturing processes and designs can be easily replicated and counterfeited in a globalized market. 6. Maintaining consistent quality standards across different manufacturing facilities worldwide is a challenge that requires effective quality control systems. 7. Balancing the need for mass production to meet global demand with the desire for customization and personalization poses challenges in manufacturing. 8. Meeting regulatory requirements and compliance standards across various countries and regions can be complex and time-consuming. 9. Environmental sustainability goals add complexity to manufacturing processes, requiring manufacturers to adopt eco-friendly practices and reduce waste. 10. Supply chain disruptions, such as natural disasters or political instability, can have significant impacts on global manufacturing operations. 11. Ensuring a skilled workforce with the necessary technical expertise and knowledge is a challenge, particularly as manufacturing technologies evolve. 12. Cultural and language barriers in international manufacturing can create communication challenges and affect collaboration and efficiency. 13. Adapting to new market entry barriers and trade policies can pose challenges for manufacturers expanding into new regions or countries. 14. Maintaining product safety and ensuring consumer protection is a challenge in global manufacturing, given varying regulations and standards. 15. Striking a balance between cost reduction and ethical labor practices is a challenge, especially when manufacturing in countries with lower labor costs. 16. Managing inventory and logistics across different countries and regions requires efficient coordination and inventory management systems. 17. Cybersecurity threats and data breaches can compromise sensitive manufacturing information and intellectual property, posing significant challenges. 18. Economic fluctuations and currency exchange rates can impact manufacturing costs and profitability, requiring constant monitoring and adjustment. 19. Adhering to responsible sourcing practices and ethical supply chain management can be challenging when dealing with multiple suppliers globally. 20. Adopting and integrating new technologies and Industry 4.0 concepts into existing manufacturing processes can be a complex and challenging task.